today's maths class, which topic we are going to learn, that is equal. Equal means, suppose this is your left hand, okay? So how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers are there. This is your right hand. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So left hand 5 fingers, right hand 5 fingers. Means both sides are equal. Okay? Here also 5 and here also 5. Equal means we have to think there are two sides, here and here. Both sides will be equal. Another some example I am showing you. You see, I have taken 2 bottles, okay? Left hand bottle color is yellow, right hand bottle color is pink. So, in my left hand I am holding 1 bottle, right hand I am holding another 1 bottle. Means here 1 and right hand 1. So, both hand is equal. Means in my both hand there are equal bottle. Next, you see, here you can see 4 pens. Okay, 1, 2, left hand I am holding 2 pens, right hand I am holding 2 pens. So total 4 pens, but this side means left side 2 pens, right side 2 pens, means both are equal. Another example, that you can see some pencils are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pencils are there. Okay. So left hand, in my left hand I am holding 3 pencils and right hand I am holding 3 pencils. Means here also 3 and there also 3. So both are equal. So do you get my point? That equal means both sides will be same. Okay, both sides will be same. Here I am showing 2 fingers, here I am showing 2 fingers. Means both are equal. So let's move on our book page, that page number 25 from our mathematics course book. Open page number 25 from your mathematics course book. Chapter is equal sets. EQUAL, equal sets. SETS, sets. Equal means I already mentioned you that 2 sides will be same. Okay, now see the picture, that left side some pets are there, that dog, parrot, rabbit, fish and cat. And right side some children, means 5 children are there, that here 1, 2, 3, 4 boys and 1 girl. So what is given here, the heading here mentioned that each child wants a pet. You see there are 5 children, so they all are wants the pet. Draw a line from each child to a pet. So you have to draw the lines and give each pet to each child and find out whether there are enough pets to go around. Means they will go around with their pets. So you have to find out if there is enough pets or not. So how can you understand that if there is enough pets means equal pets or more than or less than? You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pets are there, and how many children are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can easily understand that they both are equal, because here also 5 pets and there also 5 children. So you draw the line and you reach the pets to the child, each child. So it's your choice, means dog, which child is wants dog. So you give to her or him. Which child is like parrot? So you give that parrot to that boy or girl. Okay, so here I am doing that. That dog I am giving to that boy. Okay, parrot I'm giving that boy because he is wearing a green t-shirt and parrot's color is green, and see that he's looking at the parrot. Okay, rabbit is seeing to the boy with its big eyes, and here also the boy is seeing to the rabbit with his big eyes. So I'm giving the rabbit to him. Fish. I'm giving to the girl. And that cat, one boy is left here. He is just only standing and thinking, who will come to me? So the cat will go to him. Okay, so let's complete it. This is your class work. Write CW and today's date, that 05/05/2021 means 5th May. You have already find out that all the children, they got their pets. Okay, so what is written here? Tick, T-I-C-K. Tick means that tick mark. The T-H-E, the correct. C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct. Face, F-A-C-E, face. Are all the children happy? This face is happy because the smiley face, or sad? It's not smiley, sad face. So they all got their pets, so all will be happy. That's why, are all the children happy or sad? Yes, they all are happy. So put tick mark here.